Smoke detectors are so common you probably forget you even have them in your home. But have you ever wondered how smoke detectors work? How do they know? Today, I'll be talking about the different types of smoke detectors and how they work, how much they cost, and what kind of fires they're best at finding. A quick caveat, I am not an engineer, so I won't be getting too technical in my explanations, but if you do want to get into the weeds, I've dropped a link below to a video I found really helpful from Engineer Guy, who goes into the guts of an ionization detector. We've also dropped links to our fire safety guide and the best smoke detectors lineup on safewise.com, so if you want to check those out, those are also in the description. Let's get to those burning questions. There are two main types of smoke detectors: photoelectric and ionization. Each of these can detect smoke and fire, but each has its own strengths and weaknesses. You can also find combination smoke detectors that have both types of sensors. I'll go over those in a second. Photoelectric smoke alarms have a light source and a photocell inside. On a normal day without smoke or fire, that light aims right at its target uninterrupted. But when smoke enters the device, that light refracts and enters the photocell, which triggers the alarm. These smoke alarms can detect all types of fire, but they work best to detect slow-burning, smoldering fires with lots of smoke. The average price for a photoelectric smoke detector falls between the $30 to $60 range, and you can find battery-powered and hardwired units in that price range. We'll drop links below if you want to find one for yourself. Ionization smoke detectors use a chemical reaction to detect danger. Inside the device, you'll find two metal plates connected to a battery that creates a circuit. Between those plates is a small amount of americium, a radioactive element that ionizes the air and completes the circuit. When smoke enters that detector, the circuit breaks and triggers the alarm. Just like photoelectric sensors, when that stream is interrupted, you'll hear. And like photoelectric sensors, these ionization sensors can detect all types of fires, but they tend to be more responsive to flaming fires. They also tend to be a little cheaper. The ones we found ranged between $10 and $30. You can also find hardwired and battery-powered models in this type. Combination or dual sensor smoke detectors have both photoelectric and ionization chambers inside. This means that they're better at detecting different types of fires, those slow-burning, smoldering ones that produce lots of smoke, and those fast-burning fires with lots of flames. Because of this, combination smoke detectors are the better of the bunch. And smart smoke detectors like Nest Protect use both photoelectric and ionization methods. The ones we found without smart features fall between $30 and $60, and come in hardwired and battery-powered. In the end, the type of smoke detector you use isn't as important. The really important factor is that you have them in the right places around your home, test them regularly, and change the batteries when necessary. None of these devices will be much use without power.
Hey, if you're part of the 10% of people who watched this far, or my parents, thanks for watching. Don't stop there though. We have a ton of other resources on safewise.com that you can check out, and if you like and subscribe, you'll get new videos from us every week. Thanks for watching and stay safe.